Hey, my name's Armand. I'm an engineer at Conveyor, and over the years, we've seen some wild security questionnaires, especially when it comes to the doc PDF formats. We're going to go over some of the uploads we've seen and struggled on in the past, as well as the AI improvements we've made recently to make uploading security questionnaires of these formats a breeze from now on. So these are some fun before and afters we can see. This is a questionnaire right here. In the old system, it was consolidating all these things under service overview, and each section has one giant question. Looks terrible. And now these are the first few of that one broken up correctly. Here's another one. This is a fun, difficult one. You can see each question has kind of a context around it, a control statement, a question, is the control implemented, and then asking for justification, a long answer. That used to just grab the words, is this control implemented, and justification optional. Obviously, no human or AI can answer this question or any of these questions in a vacuum. But now if we look at what we got today, the answer options of is this implemented or not, or yes, no, and NA, I guess, are taken as short answer options, and the long prose is attached to the same control statement question, all kind of bundled together one by one with the identifier of that question. And finally, another one here, we have a table with a kind of complex set of multiple questions within that table cell. In the old system, we were grabbing all the text from one table cell and putting it in one question extraction. If we look at what we get today, these are broken up into meaningful units while we're still associating things dependent on the text above it, so it's still kept together. One of the main reasons we're able to get these speed improvements is from an algorithm we developed at Conveyor for chunking a document in a way that keeps questions with their minimum context still around them. You can kind of see that in this example here where each question is kind of divided up and color coded. This allows us to process all these chunks at the same time instead of just treating the document as one giant chunk that has to get processed sequentially. And that's some examples of accuracy improvements. If you want to try Conveyor, I highly recommend importing some docs and PDFs.